So what's up? It's Rexford J and welcome to my vlog, and we're unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S24 in 512 gigabytes 8 GB RAM. Today's video, nag-pre-order ako dito kay Lazada. So dumating na siya, guys. Ito siya, guys. Dumating na siya. Actually, ang dami kong freebies na nakuha. Isa-isahin natin to. Wait lang, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ang nakuha ko, guys, is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. That's 40 millimeters. This around cost, I think it's 16,990 pesos. The Galaxy Buds FE, I think this retail for around 5,490. And travel adapter, I think this is 1,000. This is 5K, so almost sabihin mo nang nasa 30,000. And ko yung phone for 48,055 kasi naka-sale siya, pre-order price sa Lazada, and naka-flash sale siya. So meron akong less 5,000 plus freebies. So let's jump into the unboxing. So guys, this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 in marble gray. So yan, guys. Samsung. Nakalagay dito is Samsung S24. So, naka-sealed pa siya, guys. So, kararating lang kasi from Lazada. So, guys, siguro tinatanong nyo sa kung bakit hindi ako kumuha ng S24 Ultra or S24 Plus. Kasi siguro, sa totoo lang, hindi siya appropriate for me kasi medyo mahal na ang S24 Ultra. Nasa around 80,000 pesos na siya. And si Plus naman, Plus na S24, parang walang difference kasi ang difference lang nila is just the RAM. Naging 12 gigabytes RAM, and then same lahat, same processor, Exynos 2400 4 nanometers, and the battery size lang is 4,900. So this is around 4,000 mAh and 6.2, guys. Mas malaki siya sa S23 na 6.1. So we'll unbox na our Samsung Galaxy S24. So meron pa tayong isa. Just bear with me, guys, kasi I'm holding my phone. So ito na, guys, unbox na natin ang bagong S24. Oh my god, so what's inside the box? So this is marble gray. They're using Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 plus the new Armor aluminum. Hindi siya titanium, guys, Armor aluminum siya. So what's else in the box? Ito, guys, ang nasa box niya. We have the warranty guide na hindi naman natin binabasa. And type C to type C. And nasa na ating panundot? Oh, wala siyang panundot, guys. Nandito pa lang kanyang panundot. So guys, assessing dito sa ating S24 series, hindi na siya matte, guys. Ay, hindi na siya glossy, matte na siya. Yung typical na hindi na siya very reflective. So itong ating S24. Just personal, ang ganda niya, guys, ha. Wala siyang built-in screen protector, guys. So lalabas pa ako mamaya at bibili ng screen protector. Ganito yan niya. By the way, this is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Hindi siya Gorilla Glass Armor na yung bago ng Samsung. Kasi naka S24 Ultra lang siya. It's limited for S24 Ultra. Oh, lowbat pa ata guys ang ating phone. So, Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox. So, aesthetics wise, superb siya guys. Ganda. It's very iPhone-ic, pero yeah, flat design start. Okay, agree all natin. So, yun lang guys. If you want to see more, just follow, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rexor J Vlogs. And this is the unboxing of this new Samsung Galaxy S24 512 gigabytes in marble gray. See ya. Bye.